Hello, in this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can install Tailscale on Windows. So first, you will have to go to tailscale.com. So just tailscale.com and then slash download and just wait for it to load. And now that you're here, you will have to click download for Windows, which is right here, and just click on that and then wait for it to load. And you just have to wait for it to download, and then once it is downloaded, you will have to open the file and follow the install instructions. And then after the setup, you will open your Tailscale and sign in with Google, Microsoft, or GitHub. You will now be connected and see your private network devices. And that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.